Hello, my dear kids. This is Chetan sir. So, from today onwards, I'm going to start a new session on WhatsApp status. Basically, I'm going to keep 5 definitions from the chapter, and unless until I complete that chapter with all definition, I'm going to keep all those definition on my status. So every day you have to visit my status. So whenever you want to memorize those definitions for your final exams, so to complete your studies as much as quickly in possible manner, I have made a plan that every day you have to by heart memorize 5 definitions. So while reading or writing, it will not be very helpful. Instead of that, if you hear those definitions through the mouth of lecturers, it will be helpful to you peoples. That's why I have made this plan. Thank you. First definition. Optics is the word that derived from the Greek term optica, which refers to the matters of vision. Basically, optics is the branch of physics that deals with the study of light energy. Second definition. Ray optics. It is the branch of optics that deals with the study of rectilinear propagation of light and the image formation based upon the ray concept. Third definition. Wave optics is the branch of physical optics that deals with the wave nature of light. That is, it deals with the phenomena such as interference, diffraction and polarization, which will be explained on the basis of wave concept of light. Fourth definition. Quantum optics. It is the branch of physical optics that deals with the particle nature of light. That is, it deals with the phenomena such as photoelectric effect and black body radiation, which will be explained on the basis of particle nature of light. Fifth point. Properties of light. So, first property, it travels at the speed of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Second property, it exhibits a rectilinear propagation of light. Third property, it exhibits reflection, refraction, dispersion and absorption. Fourth property, it exhibits interference, diffraction and polarization. Fifth property, it exhibits photoelectric effect.